Adobe Premiere Pro is an all-in-one video editing software. In this video, I will show you how to use it from scratch. You can use the software on a Windows or Mac computers. Go search on Google Adobe Premiere Pro and choose its free 30 days trial. Download it and install the software. Now open Premiere Pro and click New Project. Input your title. Select Browse and select a location folder you want your video to be saved. Once Premiere Pro is opened up, double-click Import Media to start. Go to the folder where your files are and select everything you want to edit. Once all your files are imported, select Icon View or List View. Just choose what you prefer for you to have more view of your files. Right-click on one of your clips and select Create New Sequence from Clip. Premiere Pro will automatically select the preferred settings for your video. Now, you have your sequence. Select a clip and drag it to your sequence. Here are the basic tools that you are going to use in your editing workflow. First is the Select tool. With this tool, you can drag things around and click anything on your sequence. The next thing you are going to use a lot is the Razor tool. With this, you can cut your clips or any other elements from your sequence. Now, the next thing is how to speed up and slow down a clip. All you need to do is select the clip, select speed/duration, and if you want to slow it down, input a lower 100% number, and to speed it up, input a larger than 100%. It is up to your liking. Now let me show you how to put effects and transitions on your videos. Go to Effects section, choose the video effects. For example, I want to add a blur effect. Just drag and drop the effect to your clip. Now I will show you how to add text to your videos. Click the Type tool and click where you want to insert a text. Now I'll show you how to add music to your videos. Just click the music file and drag and drop it. Now if you are done with your clips and added all your elements, you will have to export your video. Make sure to select your sequence and then select File, click Export, Export Media, choose a format and choose your preferred preset. Or you can match it to your media settings for better quality. Click Output Name to change the title of your video, and then Save. Click Export. It's gonna start exporting your video. Once it's done, it's gonna be in the folder where you saved it.